Welcome to lecture number 6 of Microsoft Excel. In our previous lecture, lecture 5, we learned some basic rules for conditional formatting. In lecture 6, we will learn some advanced features of conditional formatting. Highlight column value, highlight row value, highlight column completely, highlight column and rows. Let's start with some examples. For first example, go to result card 1 or example 1, highlight column value. Select column, in conditional formatting, create new role and select last option. Click here, click first record of selected column and not lock. Simply remove $sign equal to searching cell address, change format, select a color, OK and OK. When you write any name here, for example Ali, and enter, it selects the name of Ali from this column. Suppose we change name to Usama and enter. It will select the record of Usama. For next example, go to result card 2 or example 2. In this example, we want to highlight all record or want to highlight total row. For this one, select all data. In conditional formatting, select new role, select last option, click here, equal to, select first column, cell, and remove row lock, mean remove $sign from row, equal to searching cell address, and change the format. OK and OK. When you type any name here and enter, it will select all record of this name, and if we change the name, it select the all record of Usama. In the first example, it only select the column, whereas in the second example, it select all the record. In our next example, we want to highlight entire column. For this purpose, select all data with column heading and go to conditional formatting, new rule, select last option, type equal and select first column heading and remove column lock, mean remove $sign from column and equal to searching cell address. Change the format. OK and OK. When you type column name here, for example Urdu, it will select the column Urdu, and if I type here math, it will select the column math. For creating list of column here, select simply this cell and go to data validation, select list, select source, OK. Now you have column list here. Select any column. In our next example, we want to select entire column and entire row. For this purpose, first we select all row, select all data, and go to home and conditional formatting, new rule, select last option, type equal, select first column, first cell, and remove row lock, means remove $sign from here, type equal, and click on searching cell, change format, OK, and OK. Type any name here, for example Ali. It will select the name Ali in entire records. For column, select all data with their column heading, go to conditional formatting, new rule, select last option, type equal, select first column, first cell, and remove column log, means you have to remove $sign from column, type equal, select searching cell, column name, change the format, OK, and OK. When you select any column from here, for example chemistry, and name, it will select column chemistry and name Usama from entire records, and if you change the column name, that's all for today lecture. Allah Hafiz.